Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the default apps on Asus Zenbook. And to do this we'll need to click on the start and open the settings. Here find the apps and go for the default apps. Then we can find the file type or link type for a specific default behavior, or go for search apps and enter the app that you want to set as a default. For example, browser. In this case we're gonna go for Google Chrome. Click on it and then you should be able to see set as default button in the top right corner of the screen. But if not, like I have right there, then we need to manually select each of the extensions like HTML document and change it to Google Chrome, and do it with basically everything right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.